Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the one, the only, the Magic Maths Show. Today, I have some magic maths tricks prepared for you. Now, for my first magic trick, I have chosen 3 cards in my mind, and you guys have to guess what they are.
Is it 1, 2, 3?
Is
No.
it? Oh. Can you give us a hint?
Yes. They can be rearranged to make a 3-digit number that can be divisible by 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17.
Well, what would it be? Is it 5, 6, and 1?
Yes, it is.
How about we try them out to check them?
So now that we know that the cards the magician chose were 5, 6, and 1, let's check if his clue was right. So first, we have to make the 3-digit number divisible by 3. What do you think, Laura?
Well, I just worked this out. I think these might be the answers.
Oh, okay. So it says here on your working out sheet that 3 should be divided by 5, 1, and 6. So let's check it out. 5, 1, and 6 divided by 3 equals 172. So it is divisible. Good job, Laura. How about we check another one? So we all know that for it to be divisible by 5, it has to end with a 5. So let's do 6, 1, and 5. Let's check it out on the calculator. It is! Let's do the next one. Divisible by 7. 6, 5, and 1. Let's check it out. $93. Another correct answer. Well, now we have to get to 11. So it would be 1, 6, and 5. I can already see this is divisible, but we can check. 15. 1, 5, and 6 for 13. Yep. Let's check if it's right. 12. Correct. And last, number 17 would be 5, 6, and 1. Is 33. Correct. Maybe you should be the next math magician.
How do you sort that? How do you find that out?
Well, we used the STAR model. First, we sorted out the important information that was that we needed a 3-digit number that could be easily divisible by 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17 when altered to put in different positions. Then we thought about it. We said, well, what are the easiest combinations? We know that it had to be there had to be a 5 in there because it would have to be divisible by 5. And with the 11, there needs to be a structure that would go that the middle number is always 1 higher than the units. Yes? So we thought about it, and after sorting out, and after using many different number combinations, we came up with 5, 6, and 1. Since it was easily divisible by 3, it could be divisible by 5 because it had a 5 in the end, and it followed the number pattern that needed to be divisible by 11. And thankfully, it was also divisible by 7, 13, and 17.
Now, for my second magic trick. In this trick, we will play a game. So, in this starting position, you have to jump the counters over other counters, and they must land in a blank space. The counters that are jumped over have to be turned around, so that if I jump this one over there, then all these 3 have to be turned around, and then they will be blank. So, your task is to jump them so that all of these counters become blank.
I think I have an idea. Do you move this one over all of these, making all of these blank? You then move this one this way, and none turn blank because it hasn't jumped any. You then move this one back over these 3, turning them back over to become shaded again. You then jump this one all the way back to this side, making these ones blank again. Therefore, they are all now
Wow,
blank.
you did it! You're the first person to do it. Good job. Thank you. So everyone keeps on getting my tricks. I need to know, how did you do it?
Well, I used the star math problem solver. So what I did first was I sorted out the important information, which was that I had to jump one of these to make all of them white, and that every time you jump one, it makes the ones that were jumped turn over like this. Then I thought about it, and so I came to a reasonable solution, and I had a really good strategy. So I took action. I then showed you how I did it, and then I reflected on. This is the reflecting. I'm telling you what I did and what strategies I used.
Okay, this star problem solver is really putting me out of business. Two hours later.
I'll show you how you do it. Very good math magician. I'm the ultimate math magician.
No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
We'll settle this by giving you two another challenge, and whoever finishes it first and correctly is the ultimate maths magician. Much like the last challenge, but this time, instead of making the smallest sum, you have to make the largest sum. Time's up. Did anyone get the answer?
Nope.
I'll show you how it's done. I'm the ultimate maths magician.
Got the answer. We'll show you how we did it. We used the star problem solver. So first of all, we sorted out the important information, which was that the numbers are all different, the numbers are all less than 10, and that the product of the numbers is divisible by their sum. We also took into account that there were 4 different numbers. Then we decided to we thought about different strategies that we could use and different ways that we could do it. We all got into a big group and talked about it all together and how we would do it. We then took action. We used our strategies and put them into action. Using all of our different strategies, it worked very well. Then we decided to reflect on. We reflected on the answers and the strategies that we used. We thought that they worked very well as we got the answer very quickly.